Alrighty, let's get this thing situated so you guys can hear me a little bit better. Good morning. Good morning, guys. I'll make this video pretty quick today. I just want to go over a few things, just cause, for my personal sake and for future sake as well. So, what we're looking at right now is today I took a trade. I took a puts from actually pre-market here. There's just too much liquidity down here. I mean, look at that, huge gaps, right? So I took this put today. Cashed out. I think I cashed like 200 or something small. But the biggest things I kind of want to go over today is the leaps and possible swings that we were talking about. So just going through them, I just want to do a quick diagnostic. IoT is looking like a great lineup here. Bull flag possible there. So keeping an eye out for there, especially we have this huge fair value gap. Not sure how much contracts are for about end of the year. Now, this is a weekly chart, so yeah, I think end of the year would be good. December 19th or so, and it's still relatively cheap. So that's one that I'm looking to hop into. Another big one that I'm looking to hop to, PayPal, I'm not too hyped on, even though it did go 11% today. Wow, that's crazy. That's actually crazy. Well, that screenshot is pointless. Sorry, just want to screenshot that. Let's make sure I send that off. PayPal, I'm not too bullish on long term. UPS though today did 10%. Our trade thesis hit here. Now I didn't play. I actually took gains earlier here at my first level. Today was earnings. I don't like trading earnings. And in the broad scheme of things, we have lots of room that we can potentially do well there. So I'm not too worried about that. But as you can see, it did have a huge day today. It actually opened up, insane. So we're going to look for another re-entry there. But yeah, I don't like playing earnings. It's just a little too volatile for my likings. And let me know if you guys can see me well. Let me readjust this thing. Alrighty, cool. Next. Sorry, and I know I'm not like looking directly at you. My computer screen's like to the left, so I'll just kind of keep going back. Alright, next. Nike is one that I'm waiting on. Technical analysis side, on the weekly, we have a descending wedge. Breakout, retest of structure here. I think future it can get bullish. I would wait though. We're still kind of in between these China-US tariff wars, so not too bullish there. But Enphase is giving the same thing where both of these can have the potential upside in the future. So I'm just slowly buying shares there, here and here. They're low cost, so every time I try to purchase something or place a sports bet or something, I make sure that I buy an asset first. So that's just kind of how I go about it. Disney could have a potential trade here. We're gonna wait and see. Excuse me. We'll see what happens. It's close to this fib here almost at this golden pocket. We will wait to see, but could be a potential bullish flag there to where it does recover a lot. But more to come. NVO, same thing, descending wedge, nothing there. Chipotle, same thing. Could have the potential upside flip. So I like to create alerts to let me know, hey, certain things have moved. Go ahead and hop in or don't. This is one that I am very bullish on right now. I think I actually am going to enter position today. Now that I talk about it, positions are kind of expensive though. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, super expensive. I mean, $7 for about a month out. It's kind of ridiculous. Not even a month out, but you know, I do have think it's a lot of upside there. So I actually have that one in the large account. Circle is one I'm also watching as we had this break of this descending wedge. Now, most people are like, oh, why didn't you hop in here? It's starting to always wait for the retest, right? So I'm giving confirmation here. I would like to see, in case I miss it, above this level to indicate that we're coming into this zone, 183 zone that I want. But you can see it did exactly that. Broke the descending wedge. Now it's coming back to retest. If this creates a support here, then yeah, we'll hop in. Adobe, same thing. You know, huge support level here at 334.76 range, like this little pocket there. We'll wait to see on the large time frame. Could have some upside. I want to see it break this trend there, and then we might possibly hop in. But yeah, let's get into some of these that I'm actually watching currently and debating. Do I hop in a trade or do I wait? Target is one of these. Now, I have my alerts a little lower than I want. I want to see, for me, Target needs to break. You see, there's a major level here. I would love for Target to show me. We had a bullish flag here, and that did play out. I missed that move, but yeah, I would love to see it kind of come in, retest, and then have availability go crazy. Now, it does have earnings coming into November, so we could see people buying into earnings and then selling earnings itself. Happens all the time. Yeah, buy the hype, sell the news kind of thing. Intel was one that we played. It's now at $40. That's insane. I've had this one at 18. Now, if it goes further out of this trend here, it could go insane. I'm hoping it does not. I'm hoping it follows and we see some retracement back into this area, into which I would hop back into shares. But currently I sold my shares as it is just following this trend, and that is the trade thesis that I had there. So yeah, guys, that's kind of as far as leaps, the big ones I'm watching at. So right now it's just really let's go back to it. Really just UPS that I'm watching closely. You know, not huge. IoT is the one that I really want to go into. Oh, one that I'm missing. I don't think I have into. I do. Okay. Starbucks. I love Starbucks right now. Both technical analysis, fundamental analysis. As we're going into Q4, into these colder months, normally they have higher revenues during these quarters. So, yeah, I just am bought in here. I believe that into Q4 will start the rally as they will come in, and I believe they report earnings soon. 10/29, yeah. So we see a break and retest, descending wedge on the technical analysis. So yeah, I am really bullish on this one. They report earnings tomorrow. I am in on this trade. I have a contract out all the way out in April, which I'm okay with holding. So we'll see what happens there. But Starbucks, another good one. And I think that's it, guys. Those are like the main ones that I'm holding. Other than that, I'm just day trading. I'm very skeptical just kind of with the market conditions going on right now. I don't really know the sentiment. Like, for example, let's just go to SPY. SPY on a technical analysis, right? We have almost hit this like 100% above golden pocket at this 161.8. This is called the golden pocket at the 61.8 level. Having that we hit there and that we have so much liquidity down below, we just had a spike in the pre-market and yesterday based off of news that there may be China deals, no confirmation. So just as quickly we could hear, hey, there is no deal, or whatever tariffs have been in place, and then we see some downfall. So having that, we've just been in this melt up mode. I've just been hesitant as far as like super investing. I don't want to buy the tops, but that's just me. Buy every pullback that you get. This was one that I should have invested in, 647 there, but everybody do your own due diligence, do your homework. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Tesla's going insane, probably coming for these pre-market highs now. As you can see, we had a small bull flag formation there. So that's about it for me, guys. I will check back in later, but yeah, we'll see what happens.